The 2020 Bentley Flying Spur First Edition. The arrival of the 2020 Bentley Flying Spur is going to make a lot of bank accounts bleed, but just before the luxury sedan hits the market in full swing, Bentley's rolling out the Flying Spur First Edition, a special edition model based on, well, the 2020 Flying Spur. The first example of the Flying Spur First Edition will not go on sale. Instead, it will be auctioned off at the Elton John AIDS Foundation's inaugural ball, called the Midsummer Party, on July 24 at Jean Pogizzi's Villa Dorane in Cap d'Antibes, a resort town between Cannes and Nice on the French Riviera. All proceeds from the auction will go to the EJAF. As for the rest of the Flying Spur First Editions, Bentley will only sell it in the first year production of the Flying Spur. Best be quick if you want to get your hands on one. What makes the 2020 Bentley Flying Spur First Edition?
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.